What's up, guys? I just wanted to show you guys our apartment because I haven't shown you guys that. So this one's going to be a little short, a little sweet, but it's going to be of the place we have here in Taichung for now. So let's take a look. So why not start in the kitchen, because one of our favorite places to be is in this kitchen. And yeah, it's not bad. It's decently sized. Like, I mean, you really only want one person cooking in here at a time, but it's not bad. You can have two people, one person preparing, one person cooking. We also have a back porch back here, but that is where we can hang up clothes, like where our trash can is. This is an extra room that we have here. It's kind of like a little bit of storage, a little bit of our roommate's stuff. Our roommate's door. This is weird. It's like, that's a bathroom. Right there, that's a bathroom. So that's kind of weird. Yep, bathroom right here. Our dining room table. And bookshelf and glass shelf and little bar. This is our door. This is our phone to our door. I've never used it. Oh, another weird thing. That light switch right there. So that light switch right there, that bottom guy. This one. That is for the kitchen. Don't understand it, but hey, it's a thing. And then we have our living room. Yay, our living room. Ceiling fan, always important. Rachel. Hi.
Hi.
Onto our porch. Balcony, whatever this is. Yeah, we get a nice view of the road, get a nice little spot to sit. At night, the skyline is kind of cool because it lights up, and that's always a fun thing. There's a good morning market that has fresh produce down the road, which is awesome. I gotta take you guys there. We have a grocery store down the way. We also have like a Japanese grocery store the other way. We have a post office right here. We got everything in such a small area. It's kind of cool. This is our room right here. That window. Now to our room. Oh, one thing. I really like this pillow. It has flamingos on it, and it's just a cool pillow. And then that's our couch. Yeah. We have a super exciting place. And also, our internet went out last night, like yesterday afternoon it went out. Our roommate called the company last night around 7. They had a guy here this morning before 7 and fixed it. That's crazy. That's unheard of to me to have like an internet or cable provider out here like within 12 hours or within 24 hours or 12 hours of a call, and also be here earlier than they say they're going to be here. That's crazy, and the guy fixed it. He was really nice, and thank you, dude. This is our room. It's a little messy at the moment. But here's our bed. A window, air conditioner, fan, ceiling fan, closet, our own bathroom. We have a mirror. Yeah, it's nothing special, but nothing terrible either. Yeah, so also have flamingos on the sheets. That's awesome. But yeah, this has been my little tour of our place. I hope you guys liked it. Yeah, sorry this one's kind of short. But yeah, we have some exciting stuff coming up. We have a cool thing going on this weekend, so I will definitely be out there vlogging that. So hopefully that'll be good for you guys, and it'll be fun for us. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and thank you for sticking with us. And like, share, subscribe, and comment. See you guys next time. Bye.